So I'm back home, hanging out with my friends Eden and Taryn.
So how are you guys doing?
Good.
Eden starts coughing directly into my mouth.
Oh my god.
I cannot breathe.
Did you just cough?
There was something in my throat.
I'm having a panic. Eden is coughing in my mouth. Taryn starts dancing. The disrespect was so potent, I have a vision.
I am sick.
I just had a vision. So in shock right now.
I am sick. Of your disrespect.
Eden, how dare you?